My name is Ifat Malik and I'm the student in Xi'an Jiao Tong University. My major is media studies and I'm from Pakistan. I love to travel, explore the history, the culture and make new friends. The Xi'an's Jiao Tong University's reputation and the rich culture of the Xi'an and the heritage make me come to the Xi'an to pursue my PhD degree here in Xi'an. Actually, everything about Xi'an makes me so excited. The food, the Chinese food, the very delicious food here in Xi'an, and the academic atmosphere of the Xi'an Jiao Tong University. These all factors contribute in the beautiful or the wonderful experience when I first came to Xi'an. There are so many places like the terracotta warriors and the rich history of the Xi'an city, and also the modernity and the fast or the advanced technology. They make my experience wonderful. The Chinese people are so much hospitable. So luckily I made few very good friends here in China, in Xi'an, and with them I enjoyed the rich culture of Xi'an, and I got the understanding of the different Chinese festival. I celebrated with them how the Chinese people celebrate the festivals, and about the culture of the Chinese people and the customs, the family reunions. So I get to know about so many things about the Chinese culture. My Chinese friends, they were always here to help me, so much welcoming and so much supporting here in China. So it made my life so much easy here. I would like to share the Chinese culture, the beauty of China and the hospitality of Chinese people, and to break some taboos that are in the mind of the Pakistani people. If I could make the comparison between Pakistan and China, I feel more safe in China, and China is like my second home. So I want to show that to the people in Pakistan that China is the safest place to live, not for the boys but also for the girls. The China give me the better vision of the world, and also I have seen and I have experienced the women here in China. They are excelling in all the fields of life, and it's inspiring for me to see the women breaking all the barriers and making so much excel in the other fields of the life. So they are doing very hard work, they are supporting their families, they are doing their best work in all the fields of the life. So it's really inspiring. I want to encourage the students in Pakistan to come to China for the studies, because they can have the best support here by the professor and by the Chinese classmates. And the environment here in China is very safe to live, and it's like the second home. The Chinese people are always welcoming and they are always willing to help you, and you can have the comfortable life here. One word that I would like to express my feelings about Xi'an is myself. Because I'm a history lover, I'm interested in history. So when I came to Xi'an, I see that the rich history of the Xi'an, and it inspires me and always makes me interested to explore the history that gives me the vibes of myself.